In the last year, Care Centre Ottawa has partnered with Ottawa Community Housing to ensure folks in need have access to nutritional, culturally responsive foods. Care Centre Ottawa is a member agency of the Ottawa Food Bank, operating in the Nepean community. We opened our doors in January of 2017 to provide short-term emergency relief through Marketplace, our full-choice food pantry, clothing depot, and cafe, along with longer-term capacity-building services. Prior to the pandemic, several Ottawa Community Housing residents utilized our on-site services. We saw a sharp increase in the number of people needing food services following the start of COVID-19. We went from serving 220 families in February 2020 to serving 535 families the following month. Now, almost a year and a half later, we are consistently serving over 700 families monthly. We moved to a drive-through model at the beginning of the pandemic in order to meet the growing demand while reducing the risk of exposure to guests, staff, and volunteers. In May 2020, we collaborated with Ottawa Community Housing and began delivering food boxes to an OCH community on Viewmount for the first time. We continued to expand this service by partnering with Ottawa West Community Support's on-site aging-in-place workers to identify other seniors at risk of food insecurity, and now deliver over 150 care boxes at 4 different OCH locations, including Viewmount, Clementine, Golden, and McEwen. Care boxes are made up of non-perishable food items, milk, eggs, bread, meat, fresh fruits and vegetables, and personal care items. Guests are able to customize their boxes by letting us know of any dietary restrictions and preferences. This is such an important piece, as offering choice is a key element of serving our community with dignity, a core belief at the Care Centre. It is our intention to continue to provide this service as we move beyond the crisis phase of the pandemic towards recovery. In addition to providing care boxes, we have also provided takeout-style meals for Christmas, Easter, and most recently, 217 hamburgers for a summer kickoff in June. Check-in calls and distance visits have allowed us to build strong, trusting relationships over the past year and have helped reduce the social isolation for both guests and volunteers. It's so much more than the food. It's about ensuring people feel seen and heard. It's about building community and letting our neighbors know that they are not alone. We are all in this together and looking out for one another.